enough with digital and branding. We now move to the next category, which is about technology. And we really cannot do without it these days. So Technology Company of the Year, and this is awarded for all our MSMEs. I would like to invite on stage Dr. Mona Ben Desai. Please ma'am come over. And Dr. Praveen Karman, if you could please join us to hand over the trophies and certificates for the next group. Well, the first one has been making a lot of noise and a lot of news around. The Security Software Company of the Year. And this goes to SAS Lab Technologies Private Limited. All the data privacy and the WhatsApp and so much of discussions around, I'm sure SAS Lab Cyber Security Solutions is only going to rise higher. And they are also into developing mobile apps, corporate skilling, training, and all the RFID enabled solutions. Congratulations, sir. Alright, so from the cyber security, now let's move on to the grounds and to the base. ERP Software Company of the Year. And ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत कीजिए. It's wonderful to see we have two people coming out for this award. Such should be the passion, and I'm so pleased to see this. The founders, Mr. Hussain Dowri and Mr. Jay Vora, both have got huge experience working on open ERPs and open on-demand projects, I guess. And of course, they have their business spread across 24 countries and have been doing wonderful business once you have them and you know where to go if you need any of your enterprise resource planning. Okay then, next we can't forget CRM Solution Company of the Year, and this award goes to Equitius Infotech Private Limited. तालियों से इनका स्वागत करें. They have made a lot of office automation software. आपका जो टाइम है वो बचाने की ये बात कर रहे हैं. Whether these are accounting services or software as a service, mobile software technologies, I think they have just made their mark and expertise in everything. So if next time you want any office automation tools, you know where to go. Let's move to the print and cutting technology provider of the year. And this goes to VAMP Overseas Limited. So wonderful to see that you have been doing so much of work. Absolutely an inspiration for all the young entrepreneurs and people who you are thinking that, is entrepreneurship really a cakewalk, as I mentioned? Not really. Trust me, it's how you manage your failure every time after the success you have. And consider that either there is success or there is learning. And that's the journey of an entrepreneur. Sir, I'm so happy to see that you're doing such a wonderful job. Graphic designer of the year. And I would very much like to meet this creative team and the representative today, Yogi Creation. It's a design studio that solves your design problems in the most effective and creative manner. They also have some mind-blowing digital designs if you would like to have a look at the Yogi Creations. Website designing company of the year, Hind Technologies. जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए इनका. They offer web designing, hosting, and website development, redesigning, and all of this as a competitive prices. He knows what Ahmedabad likes. The e-commerce development company of the year, Swagger Unit. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award winner has made our shopping online easy. by developing such sites. And it is of course very demanded. I don't know in last 10 months how much of shopping we all have done online, and we need some competition, I guess, for this Amazon and Big Basket and everyone. So congratulations, sir. Opportunities always don't happen. You actually create them, and I'm sure lockdown has created many such opportunities, not just in e-commerce, but even in fintech and edtech. And that brings up to the next award winner in this category, Educational App Company of the Year, Campus Dean. So you have already given us the feeling of going back to a college campus maybe. So please come over. It's an IT-based company in Ahmedabad. They have their offices not just in India, but in Australia, US, UAE, and in many other countries. Congratulations, and with a responsibility like education, I'm sure they'll be doing very well. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am.